Alright, this is me booting up from the previous video. So this is video 2 of the Plasma Challenge, and it's a computer that started in November 2018, an SSD I mean then, right? And we keep on updating and keep it rolling. That's the point of the demonstration, that ArcoLinux is stable and it can just be we can just update the system and have no issues. And that's the point of these videos as well to share some knowledge about updating and some stuff that we did and changed in Plasma. So this is how it looks. This little birdie, we've seen that at some point in time, and that's Vivaldi, that's he's dying, right? But we haven't done an update. I even think we did not do a scal, which I'm not very sure about. So I'm gonna do a scal now. And I was just realizing I could have checked here as well. When did I do a scal? Well, 15-16 minutes ago, right? So I had done a scal, but now I'm pretty sure that the latest configuration in etc scal is now also in here. And that was the point, of course. Now Open Terminal is okay. It's standing where it should be. So with the new update, we've got this Open Terminal here, and it used to be here somewhere, which I immediately saw, hey, what's going on? All right, what is still going on though? How's this? Ooh, don't like it. Show alternatives. I rather like it small, like this. Then that's one thing. We definitely need to check for up all, because we've done now, okay, up all. We've done now an update. We've done an still things to do, as you see. And we've done an update and we've done a scal, but not an up all. Now, I am thinking though, what we've done as well in the meantime, because this is not normal, we have, there you go, we have created in the meantime a new repo. Submicron was nice. Submicron gives us lots of wallpapers. We did that when we became 1 year old, I think. We thought, hey, we had some connection with Submicron. He's a beautiful, well, creator of art, digital creator then. And we have lots of wallpaper of Submicron. Now we've deleted that particular reference to it, but they still exist, so you can get them back, and it's all explained on ArcoLinux.com. But what we need is the latest, the newest pacman.conf, right? Now you can sort that one out yourself if you do Ctrl-Alt-G, for example, and ArcoLinux seed host. Then you can learn with your eyes. Okay, there we go again. Oh my god. Okay, then we go to ArcoLinux repo extra large. That's the name. So we've created a repo where the extra large stuff can go. So instead of Submicron, it should say extra large. And then Spotify and all these applications that were now coming from AUR. Because where are they coming from, right? We've done an update. So the rest up here is now coming from somewhere else. These four are not that first one, but these three guys are coming from our own repo. But Pacman doesn't know, because in the meantime, 4 months further in time, we have created a new repo. So etc pacman.conf, double click. You can add any repo you like, as long as you trust it. That's important. So this Submicron are the wallpapers. If you want to have the wallpapers back, you do the opposite of what I'm doing now. Correct? So it's called extra large, X large, save. yeah, you have to put your password there, and then if that's changed, this is what used to be, and this is what is now. Again, update, because we want to check if it's working. Aha, there they are. So the extra large is here, the signature is here, and the 3 packages are coming in. And it's of course a lot faster if we pre-build it for you, rather than coming from AWARM. Oh, that's not it. One available update, and this guy we need to build because that's specific for my personal keyboard here. So after every clean installation, I'll run this. Doesn't take that long to run. And I can set my colors. That's this little thing down here. Now it's Dubois. This is trippy. Yep, all purple. Now it's breeding with white and red. And that's the rainbow. This is the standard, I think. Some fun stuff. Some fun stuff. And you can do some color changes. Nice. Just missed one here. Another color. I don't know, is it the same color? By chance it is. And every little button I can change the colors and have some fun with it. Some green colors. Yep, it turned green. All right, I'm thrown out. It's installed or not? Ooh, that's okay. It's this one I'm looking for. So that's installed. We have now, later on when we reboot, we'll have the CKB again. So I think we're up to date. There are things different in the meantime. So let's take a look at that as well. So the global theme is today set to Breeze, that's correct. Plasma style is set to Arc Dark, but I'm wondering, F12 sudo pacman minus S minus R, arc. What's it called again? There it is. So I see that it's ArcoLinux Arc KDE that is installed. So these icons, that's okay then. Application style, all right. Colors is Breeze, I think. Yep. Fonts, straight to the icons. I don't need Saturday icons on this machine, so I'm just deciding right now to remove all the Saturday icons. All right. I think that's the best thing to do for Plasma, by the way. Make sure that you don't have too much of these icons and themes and cursors, because it gets slow in loading up all the choices. So we see here another theme now. Well, you see it here already, not here. That's typical Plasma, that the icons follow late. So icons, Hello Dark, yeah, new mix, we can leave that. Papyrus, we can delete that. I want to have the Surfer Arc Breeze, so this one. So let's first do apply here, and then I can apply there. Yeah, and then we have the Surfer Arc Breeze. That is more like it. So this is the look we have today in ArcoLinux B, right? So I've created the icons I would like here. If we reboot, these icons are in order as well. We'll see it next time. We put it in again, and we have lots and lots of changes, in the sense that we can now install lots of applications. Let's install a few of them just to make you aware again that we have so much software that you can try out. So we were talking about the extra large, that is new. So for this user here, he says, I didn't know I can install Brave, a new browser, Git themes, Git Kraken, Google Chrome, can I? Yeah, sure. Google Earth, Minecraft, let's play a game, and so on. Never bowl, only Office, Plex, Skype, stay in touch with people today. Teams, that's Microsoft Teams for you. ArcoLinux, it's possible. Visual Studio Code, probably better not say whose company that is. WhatsApp, you know what company that is as well. And WPS Office, a clone of Microsoft Office, really. Have a look and talk to people. Zoom again. Apply, choose. And now we go through the motions, nothing to click here really, just go through the suggestions. People say you might install this one or that one. This coming from our Minecraft. Minecraft is working on Java. Apply, and a bunch of software is coming in, right? I think we can click here and we can follow along what it's doing. Thank you for donating, guys. I just thought of it. I mean, where is it coming from? From SeedHost, right? And because of your donations, we decided to say, okay, let's buy ourselves a really fast data center server kind of thing at SeedHost, right? It's dedicated servers in the Netherlands. I think it was Rotterdam or Amsterdam. One of them, or both maybe. So that's working great for us, which provides us with super fast downloads, because these are not small applications, right? These are really huge things that we've just installed. Okay, so we can have more applications. We find more elements, WPS here, utilities, and Conky Zen, CBK. Next is there, the one we needed to build from AOR. Let me find at least one of them. Not sure. So many software, right? And it's all free. Microsoft Teams is here. I found one. Microsoft Teams. What is it again? Internet, probably. Internet. Microsoft Teams. Just saw one. Again. Teams. This one. Skype we've installed, I think. Steam. Where are the games? The games. Minecraft. There's Minecraft. Right? So it's getting crowded here with my games. But this is all KDE Plasma. This is other stuff. Education, development. So lots of information. So I'm out. This is again a revisit after 4 months of never using Plasma. It's still working, it's shiny, it's beautiful. You change it the way you like it and install any application you like it. You see people having this panel to the left, to the bottom, to the right, to the top. It's all good for me, right? It's just change of design, and that's the fun. Enjoy Plasma, enjoy ArcoLinux, and thank you for your donations.